If you got no spark symptoms on your Honda 4Trax or even TRX 200, 350, take your CDI and put it in the oven. I know it sounds crazy, but put it in the oven for 10 minutes at 260, 250 Fahrenheit. Then once it's done, after 10 minutes, turn it off, open the door, oven door, let it cool to room temperature, and then it should get all the moisture out. This crack right here, you could not see it when I originally removed it. But what I'm suspecting happened, water got in there and messed some stuff up. Put it in the oven, it all dried up. So now we're just gonna seal this with RTV all the way around and we're gonna test it. Stay tuned for the results.